Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to continue the lesson that we learned 2 days ago, okay, which is the divisibility rules. We said that a number is divisible by another number if it can be divided exactly by that number without leaving any remainder. Okay, so why do we have to learn this topic? Because it will save a lot of your time. So divisibility test is a quick way or a quick method for checking whether one number is divisible by another number. Okay, without further ado, let's continue the divisibility test, which is divisible by 10. So let's check, or how do we know if a number is divisible by 10? So a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit ends with 0, or the last digit is 0. Let's have an example. For example, 90. So it ends with 0. That is 90 divided by 10. Of course, it's 9, which is correct. Another one, if you have 900. So 900 ends with 0. So divisible by 10 also, of course, which is 90. And that is correct. Last example for this topic, for this part, 6,710. Okay, if you divide it by 10, so 6,710 ends with 0, of course. So the answer is 671, which is correct. Okay, so divisibility by 10 is quite simple. For the next topic, which is a number is divisible by 25. When do we know if a number is divisible by 25? So if the last two digits are 00, 25, 50, or 75. This is quite related to a number that's divisible by 10. So for example, you have 900. So 900 ends with 00. So therefore, this is divisible by 25, where the answer is equal to 36, which is correct. Another example, if you have 575, yeah, so the last two digits is 75. Okay, so from the condition, if the numbers ends with 75 or 7 and 5, that means it is divisible by 25, where the answer is 23. That is correct, right? For the last example, so if you have 4,825, okay, so the number ends with 25. So from the condition, it is divisible by 25. Let us check. That is 193, which is correct. Now, let's proceed with a number that is divisible by 50. How do we know if this number is divisible by 50, or your particular number is divisible by 50? The last two digits ends with 00 or 50. So let's have an example. So let's say 600. So the last two digits are 00. Therefore, it is divisible by 50. And the answer is 12. That is correct. No any remainder. Another one. 7750. So 7,750. It ends with 50. So it is divisible by 50 according to the condition. So let's check. 7750 divided by 50. So the answer is 155, which is correct. Lastly, so this is the easiest one also, divisibility by 100. How do we know if the number is divisible by 100? It is simply if the last two digits are 00. So example, we have 900 again. So 900 is very popular today. So it ends with 00. Therefore, it is divisible by 100, which is 9. Another one, if you have 4,100. So 4,100 ends with 00, or the last two digit is 00. Therefore, it is divisible by 100. which is 41. Okay, so that's all for this topic. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It will help me a lot, okay, to grow. Thank you so much. Till the next lesson. Bye bye.